Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Okay, I admit it. That was clickbait in the title about washing your car in the sun. It is a sunny day here in San Diego, and I've got the car pulled halfway into the garage, or maybe a quarter way into the garage to get some shade on it. But the point being, even if it's sunny, if the paint is not too hot, like a winter sunny day, you can get away with it. On a summer hot sunny day, probably not. But it all has to do with the temperature of the paint that you're washing or waxing or wiping water off of. I'll show you how I do this one because it really needs it. We did have some rain last week in San Diego, and car got dirty. So here we go. Okay, so first wet it down good, and paid a special attention to hitting the rims a little closer than I would get to the paint with my pressure washer, because they're the dirtiest part of the car usually, and they can hold up to the pressure washer a little bit better, I think, than the body paint. So get it wet. Blast it with suds. Blast it with suds. All right, I admit it, this is the fun part. if there was any really dirty parts, I might take a microfiber mitt and go over the really dirty parts, but this is just spray from being on the freeway and secondary roads when it was raining, so not really dirty, so I'm not going to agitate anything with the microfiber mitt. I'm just going to wet it, suds it, I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'm going to start wiping. You can see from the way it's beading up that it's got good wax on it. Ooh, I gotta hit that some more. It's still got good wax. I already waxed one other car today. If you want to see the other car, I have a playlist on the white Mercedes GLK, so you can check that out. There. I use a silicone scraper to get most of the water off. Some people will say it's crazy, but I do not think if you've got clean car with wax on it, I don't think this damages anything. It certainly doesn't hurt the glass. And you need to get as much water as you can off so you don't load it all up on your towels when you dry. I am going to get a, one of those leaf blower things so that I can blow off the car without using the blade. And I will do a video for you on that when I get it. That's about the only thing that I wish I had and that I'm going to get that would make detailing a car, the outside of a car, make it complete. So that's enough water off. Now I'm going to get towels. Black cars, the good towels come out. These are chemical guys. I'll put a link in the area underneath the title. Now here I've got to go a little fast because this is drying here. Right now we're in drying mode on the back of this car that's in the sun. So I do not want this wonderful California hard water loaded with minerals. It's a wonder you can still drink it, but you can drink it. But it leaves watermarks. So, gotta be fast here. What I'm going to do, I think, is go over the car real fast with these 2 towels, and then I'll go back with a couple of dry ones. That way I can just speed it up. Not as big as my Suburban, right? Like 80–90% of the water is off there. Now I'll get 2 more dry ones. All right. So this will be the finish drying. So I have to look for the watermarks. Don't see any so far. All right, no watermarks. Now the very, very lower rocker panel area, I'm not going to use my good towels because inevitably there's a little bit of dirt left down there, so I'm just going to get a couple of regular microfibers and I'm going to get some quick detail and I will use that. Lately I've been using this. I'll put a link to it down underneath the title, and I'm liking it pretty good. I try different things, and these are some towels that are just for the bottom. I just use these around the bottom. All right, now for the final, I will use some of this quick detailer with a gold towel to do the hood over again. I just, the hood is where everybody looks. So I will do that, and we're almost done. All right, that's it. I am going to give you a walk around. I'm not going to show you rims on this. I'm going to do them a little quick rim job, but if you want to see a good detailing on rims, go to the Mercedes playlist and look at how I do the rims on the Mercedes. Okay, let me give you a walk around. By the way, I've got a new camera coming. It's a Google Pixel 3 XL. It's supposed to have the best camera on the market for smartphone cameras. So we'll see. This is a Nexus 6P, and that'll be retired from Froggy's Garage videos. So, put it down in the comments what you think. Maybe another month or so I'll probably do another wax job on this, but I only got it about 5 or 6 months ago. Is that how long? And I waxed it twice, 2 in a row when I got it. And then that's all it's ever had is 2 wax jobs. So here's the hood paint. Check it out. Focus. Mostly you can just see my palm trees and my house. Inspection stickers, timing and scoring stickers for the autocross events. So there it is. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.